1952 Mercedes-Benz 220 Cabriolet A. Price: $69,950. Location: Montana, USA. The 1952 Mercedes-Benz 220 Cabriolet A is the definition of timeless elegance, representing an era when every luxury automobile was handcrafted, with incredible attention to detail, finished in a deep black exterior, paired with a sophisticated cream leather interior and rich wood trim. This stunning German classic captures the glamour of the early 1950s. Topping off its graceful appearance is a beautifully fitted black soft top that folds, a way to create one of the most elegant open-air driving experiences of its generation, whether displayed at a prestigious concours event or driven along scenic country roads. This Mercedes-Benz commands admiration from every angle. The story behind this cabriolet makes it even more remarkable. This California original automobile has remained in the same family since 1976, a rare distinction that speaks volumes about its preservation and care. Long-term ownership is highly prized among collectors because it often reflects consistent maintenance and authentic history. Finding a classic Mercedes with nearly 5 decades of family stewardship is exceptionally uncommon, making this example a genuine collector's opportunity. Its documented service records further strengthen its desirability and offer confidence to future owners. The heart of this beautiful convertible is Mercedes-Benz's legendary inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission that delivers an authentic, vintage driving experience. The single-barrel carburetor and carefully engineered powertrain provide reliable performance while maintaining the refined character expected from one of Germany's finest luxury automobiles. Unlike many modern vehicles that isolate drivers from the road, the 220 Cabriolet A offers direct steering feel, balanced handling, and an unforgettable connection between driver and machine that enthusiasts truly appreciate. The exterior showcases countless period-correct details that define classic Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship. Hella headlights illuminate the road ahead, while elegant rear-hinged doors create a dramatic entrance that immediately captures attention. Chrome trim surrounds the body with understated sophistication, complemented by gleaming chrome bumpers fitted with protective overriders. The iconic Mercedes-Benz hood ornament proudly leads the way above handsome 16-inch steel wheels wrapped in authentic Firestone whitewall tires. Completing the package are the original spare tire and factory jack, preserving the authenticity collectors seek in an investment-quality automobile. The interior reflects luxury in its purest form. Low-back bucket seats provide exceptional comfort, surrounded by elegant wood trim that highlights the dashboard's craftsmanship.